Hi everybody, Cheesy Bros Toys here with our toy review of Nickelodeon's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Half Shell Heroes by Playmates. These toys are recommended for 3 and up, which seems about right. That's about the age our little guy started playing with action figures. And so let's go ahead and open these up and see what we got here. First of all, we have all three of the 4 of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. We got Mikey with skateboard, or Michelangelo, and we have Donnie with luge. Donnie with the luge, which is a little sled there that comes with it. Pretty cool. I'm sure that'll be cool. Of course, he's got his stick of some sort, and of course, Mikey also has his nunchucks and a skateboard. And then we also have Leo with glider wings. He's pretty cool. And we couldn't find Raphael, unfortunately. We'll have to keep looking for it. It looks like from the back here that we also have you got Raphael with a bike you can find as well. Oh, that must be the one actually that it is. So we'll be on the lookout for Raphael. Everybody else, let us know if you actually found Raphael with the mini bike. And maybe I'll edit this and put him in at the end if we can find one. So let's go ahead and open up Mikey and see what we got. So we got our luge and Mikey. So we'll put this over here for a little background. Let's see what we got here first off. We got Mikey. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. He's got his bow staff. That's what it is, a bow staff. Oh, the arms move together. That's pretty cool. You don't see that a lot in action figures. Totally posable. Oh, the legs move together too. That's not bad. Do they move separately? Well, with a little work. But actually, it's probably better that they move with this age range together. And we'll put him there. And then we got, like I said, the luge, which is a motorized sled. That's pretty cool. And it's got its feature as this claws, so you can grab the bad guys or the other Ninja Turtles, whichever you prefer. Let's see how he fits in here. Supposed to fit pretty easily. Does he just sit in there? Yeah, I guess he just sits in there. Let's look on the back. Yep, that's all he does. He just sits in there, which isn't bad. That'll work. So let's see how are there wheels on the bottom of here? There's no wheels. Oh yeah. Oh, no, those wheels don't work. Those are fake wheels. So I guess there's no actual wheels on here, which seems a little strange, but that's okay. You can still use it as a jet sled, and pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, let's put him there, and let's open up Leo with his glider wings. He looks pretty cool. He's got his dual swords and some flying wings. Always love the flying wings. Let's see what we got here. Got a little visitor coming to see me. Who's probably gonna want to look at our Leo. Isn't that cool, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I don't know.
I know. We'll keep him on the thing for now. Let's keep him on our stage so that everybody can see him. Keep him right there. So let's take a look at Leo. So Leo's the same way. That's pretty cool that the swords work together. Yeah. Pretty cool.
How was that?
Yeah. And his legs move again, of course. Pretty cool. Actually, that's really cool. He might actually be cooler than Donnie as far as figure-wise. I like that they move independently too. Okay. That's cool too. Wait a minute. Okay, so you move the left arm, they both move, but you can move the right arm. Now that's cool. It's a nice feature. You don't really see that much in action figures, especially for a 3-year-old. I like that. Very cool. Ooh. Cool. Let's see what he's got here. He's got his wings.
Ooh, he got
Yeah,
his wings.
he's got wings. Hold on, let's see if they work. So they do work. Kind of like bat wings. Let's see how they fit on here. That's obviously his head. Let's see if I can get him on here. Let's look at the back again, see how he fits. Does it fit around his waist? I can't even tell, actually. Huh. Oh, it's got to be his waist. Let's see. I mean, it couldn't be his head, could it? Okay, there we go. Maybe I should look at these first, huh? We're opening them together, so we'll figure them out together. So you put that on him, and put these up over his... Oh, that's cool. That's actually pretty cool. So you can fly him around. So, Leo to the rescue. And there comes our luge going through here with little buddy. Pretty cool. I like that. I'm pretty impressed with these so far, I gotta tell you. I was not expecting much. I like that they move together. Very cool. Very cool. Let's put Donnie back in here. Put Donnie there. Yep. And let's open up our last one, Mikey with skateboard, or Michelangelo as us older folk may know him. He's got the nunchucks and the skateboard. See? Yep, nunchucks. Let's open him up. He's really in there. There we go. Alright, so we'll take out the skateboard first. Maybe. Very cool. Hold on, let me see it first. We gotta show everybody. Don't you want everybody to see the skateboard?
I know.
Hold on, watch. So you put you push your exhaust pipes together and pretty cool. Alright, you see that for a second, but don't bring it anywhere. You kick the camera over the side too. That's okay. Alright, let's look at Mikey. So do his arms move together too? Maybe not. Well, that's interesting. His are independent. Unless the other ones were just stuck. I guess somebody will have to let me know if you have Leo out there, or Mikey, or I'm sorry, Donnie, the purple one. If you have him out there and his arms don't move together, I guess let us know. Now they go together, that's cool. Maybe that's his function, that they go together. That's pretty cool. And apart. So you can also do chest exercises for building up your chest muscles. Muscles. Pretty cool. Legs move again. Somebody is very excited to get these over here. We can put him on there. And what I also like is we can get Donnie on here. Yeah, go. So how are we gonna do that? We gotta. Not quite sure how we would put him together. I guess you gotta go like this, and maybe he pinches one leg. Yeah, one leg you can pinch. Okay, you can pinch one leg. That's okay. I still like it as a thing, but I gotta say, so far I think my favorite is Leonardo, and I did not think that. I really thought it would be. Donnie and the luge, at least when we were buying them. And here comes the skateboard. Here comes the flying skateboard. Let's put him on the skateboard, because it does have a little thing you can put the guys on there. Somebody is very excited to get these. See, I review them before we open them up, so we share it together. So, woo! And of course, it wouldn't be a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle video if we didn't say, "Cowabunga, dudes!" Hi, guys. So are we on TV? Yes, we're on TV. We're on TV every Saturday morning. Of course we are. Well, not Half Shell Heroes. We wish Half Shell Heroes had its own show. Then we wouldn't have to watch the commercial 20 times.
Whoa.
Yeah. So that's pretty cool. So let's see this part. Okay, so you can actually hold it and fly them around. That's pretty cool. And of course you can interchange them. I'm not sure you can pull double duty if he really wants to skateboard and ride his wings. You can put Leo on there too. Don't touch. No touch. Let's see, we can also interchange these, I'm assuming, with ease. Doesn't quite have the same effect, but blue and orange works. And so, yeah, blue and orange. And so you can make the wings move. Pretty cool. And of course, so Leo can ride the skateboard too. Woo, thanks for letting me ride the skateboard, dudes. I still like that those arms go up together or independently. That's pretty cool. And of course his go together too, I'm assuming. So these are pretty posable. Pretty posable. I'm impressed. You know, most of these, like most of these figures of these same size aren't very posable. I can certainly tell you that. And very cool. So let's see, is his go together too? Yep. These are nice. Very nice. Wish we could have found Raphael. So there goes the sled, and then of course we can also put them in. We can take their gear off. Okay, come on, you're hitting the camera. We've got a very excited boy here, excited to play with these. So let's put him in. We can also put him in the turtle sub. Let's put them all in the turtle sub. See if they'll sit in there. Put their stuff together. With Easter coming up, we like to use our Easter eggs as subs. There you go. There we have a turtle submarine. They don't seem very... They seem pretty happy in there. Yeah, that's a submarine sound. That's the engines. I like that. Anyhow, that about does it. So we got Mikey with his skateboard. Mikey, yeah. Mikey with his skateboard. Very cool. Posable arms. Can't seem to get those to move together, but that's okay. Maybe they're not supposed to because the nunchucks are independent. Yep. So we'll put him right there. And so we have Leo. Okay. And we got Leo with his swords again. Very cool. I think he's my favorite. You guys will have to let me know which one's your favorite. Of the toys. It doesn't have to be just the show. And of course, Donnie, which I really thought I would really like the most, but it's kind of hard to move around. Well, I mean, I guess it's not if you hold it on the back here. But I really wish it would have actually had some wheels. You really would have thought they could have, chipped in for some wheels. Which is your favorite, buddy? Which one's your favorite? Which one? Well, I guess you've spoken. The red one? Oh, the red one? Really? The one that we didn't get? Raphael?
Okay.
Oh, he's your favorite?
Yeah.
That's great. Well, I guess we'll be searching for Raphael. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can see all our toy reviews and our future surprise egg videos. And thanks again for watching, and be cheesy.